Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn unit number 2, Bird's Eye View, looking more closely at animals. What is the name of the unit? Bird's Eye View, looking more closely at animals. Let's see the keywords of this unit. First one, puzzled. Puzzled. Puzzled means हैरान. Second one, publish. Publish. Publish means प्रसिद्ध करना. Next one, hunt. Hunt. Hunt means शिकार. Next, extinct. Extinct. Extinct means विलुप्त. Next, description. Description. Description means वर्णन. Next one, comparison. Comparison. Comparison means तुलना. Next, dangerous. Dangerous. Dangerous means खतरनाक. Next, describe. Describe. Describe means वर्णन. Next one, touch. Touch. Touch means स्पर्श. Next one, venomous. Venomous. Venomous means विषैला. Next, scatter. Scatter. Scatter means फैलाव. Next, typically. Typically. Typically means आमतौर पर. Let's repeat this. First one, puzzled. Publish. Hunt. Extinct. Description. Comparison. Dangerous. Describe. Touch. Venomous. Scatter. And the last one is typically. Let's learn the unit from the textbook. Unit 2, Bird's Eye View, looking more closely at animals. Activity 1. This unit is about looking more carefully at animals. Look carefully at the picture. List as many things as you can. यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर दिया गया है वो आपको देखना है और इसमें कौन कौन सी चीज़ें आपको दिख रही है उसका लिस्ट बनाना है. और यहाँ पे लिखनी है How many things did you list? आपने कितनी चीज़ों का लिस्ट बनाया वो यहाँ पे लिखना है. Activity 2. In Unit 1, you looked at this picture of art. Unit 1 में आपने ये पिक्चर देखा हुआ था. The puzzled fox is also a puzzle. हैरान फॉक्स अपने आप में एक पजल है. There are many strange faces and animals hiding in this picture. इस पिक्चर में बहुत सारे strange faces और animals छुपे हुए हैं. The picture was published long ago in 1872. ये पिक्चर है वो 1872 में प्रसिद्ध हुआ था. In the picture are 3 birds that are not hidden. इस पिक्चर में 3 birds है जो छुपे हुए नहीं हैं. They are in the tree on the left. वो कहाँ पे है? ट्री के ऊपर लेफ्ट साइड में, यहाँ पे. They are passenger pigeons. वो कौन है? Pigeons है. Passenger pigeons were once the most common bird on the planet. ये जो pigeon है वो planet के ऊपर बहुत ही common birds है. These birds sadly can no longer be found in the real world. They are extinct. वो गायब हो रहे हैं. Loss of forest and too much hunting caused them to die out. बहुत सारे जंगल का लॉस और शिकार के कारण वो मर रहे हैं. The last non-passenger pigeon was named Martha. जो लास्ट पैसेंजर पिजन था उसका नाम क्या था? मार्था. मार्था डाइड इन अ जू इन अमेरिका इन 1914. 1914 में एक अमेरिका के जू में मार्था की डेथ हुई. Let's read activity 2 again. In unit 1, you looked at this picture as art. The puzzled fox is also a puzzle. There are many strange faces and animals hiding in this picture. This picture was published long ago in 1872. In the picture are 3 birds that are not hidden. They are in the tree on the left. They are passenger pigeons. Passenger pigeons were once the most common bird on the planet. These birds sadly can no longer be found in the real world. They are extinct. Loss of forest and too much hunting caused them to die out. The last non-passenger pigeon was named Martha. Martha died in a zoo in America in 1914. Look carefully at the picture. The puzzled fox walk alone to find and circle as many animals and faces as you can. When you have found as many as you can, count the animals and faces and record the number here. यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर दिया गया है पजल्ड फॉक्स का, उसमें से आपको एनिमल्स और कई सारे फेसेस दिख रहे हैं, वो सब ढूंढना है और उसके ऊपर सर्कल करना है और आपको काउंट करना है कि आपने कितने एनिमल्स और फेसेस फाइंड किए हुए हैं और वो नंबर आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. So students, you have to write the words of this unit 2 times in notebook and complete activity number 1 in textbook.